Welcome to the Biology Digital Teaching Labs at Macquarie University. This short presentation provides a virtual tour of this highly interactive and stimulating learning environment that utilises the latest technologies while maintaining a sustainable outlook. Students move into one of four colour-coded labs: red, blue, green or yellow. Themed displays along the corridors outside the labs often display teaching materials reflective of what is being taught within the labs. The teaching labs are modular due to the digital teaching system and audio-visual controls. This allows 4 labs of 32 students to be run simultaneously, or 2 of the smaller labs can be combined to make a 64-student super lab. Each of the 4 labs has projection screens, one of which is a digital whiteboard that can run multiple screens of information simultaneously. Full internet connection is available, allowing the utilisation of movies and teaching aids from all over the internet, including Macquarie University's own YouTube channel. The 4 labs each have 16 student computers connected to biological and dissection microscopes via a camera system, which can also be attached to a boom arm if larger samples are being studied. Pairs of students work at these stations, enabling them to share knowledge and insights with each other and the pair of students directly opposite. The digital aspect of education is well integrated into the student learning experience. Samples are digitally photographed, either under the microscope or on the benchtop. These images are then studied and processed through the DigiLab software to Motec Images Plus, where measurements can be made and labelling added. Students can then save their work to their own memory stick, thereby creating their own virtual library of images. As all the computers running the DigiLab software are networked, the demonstrator can access compelling images being captured on any of the student computers and immediately display them on the projection screens in the lab for everyone to see, creating a truly shared learning experience. The safety of both students and staff is ensured in these digital teaching labs. The labs have been fitted with a complete range of safety systems, including eye wash and safety shower, flashing evacuation alarms, and an emergency electrical and gas cut-off system. We hope you enjoyed this short tour of the Biology Digital Teaching Labs and that it's given you an insight into the exciting teaching facilities on offer at Macquarie University.